let's take a look at the app interface. So first you will see two blanks, and the first one you put in the solution name, the second one you put in the final value of your solution, and then you need to choose chemicals inside the solution. There's two ways you can choose the chemicals. One is you input yourself, the other is you input through the search database. If the chemical is already in the database, I highly recommend use search database function, because that makes your life much easier. After you select the chemicals, the all selected chemical is listed in this area. Once you are done with the selection, you can click confirm, and it will lead to the result page. The upper right corner you can see a beacon sign, which when you save the solution, all the solution listed there, and you can search the solution as well. This three dot is actually you can have additional information. So from this page you can go to the support page, web page. You can watch the YouTube video how to use this app. You can contact me if you found there's bugs, there's suggestions and comments. Let's use one solution as an example to see how we can make a solution. Use this app. We start over from clean sheet. Okay, we say use 1xTDS TBST as the example. So let's say we make a 1000 solution, 1000 mil, and we search database. First chemical is trace. So noticing the search is wildcard search. Basically, as long as the chemical contain the name contain the trace, or the catalog or the formula contain trace, it will pop up. But you're gonna choose the one which is you're gonna use. So for in this example we use trace base, and then we need to put in the solution concentration here. So choose minimal. Alright, so once it's done, you say done. Here, if you notice something wrong in the database and maybe you saved something by mistake, you can delete it. Now let's do another one. Say you want to input the sodium chloride, and you see bunch of sodium chloride here. I pre-insert database with some very commonly used chemical from Sigma, so make your life easy. You don't have to input it yourself. So they have a bunch of chemicals or different catalogs. It's because of they have different purity, and so choose one which fit your need, or your lab already have that catalog. You can choose that one, or you can choose either one should working fine. Let's say we choose this one. So it's 125 millimole. Okay, and done. Now let's choose. Let's say we want to add another one with manually. So we say 20, and we don't have a catalog number. That's fine. This is not required, but all the others is required. So we put in 20, and this is maybe from other place. so you can choose bitrate if it's from bitrate. um, uh, the molecular weight is 122A. It's not very important here because in this case we just need volume to volume calculation instead of molar. So we use 0.1, and if you want to save this thing for later use, you can save it and then you can add it. So you see it's in the list. Double check it, and then we say okay, this is all set. You just go here, so it gives you a list of what we inputted before, and then it calculated behind the scene, so you don't have to do Excel and telling what actual chemical amount you need. So from here you can save it to database. Say you save it to database. Now next time you can retrieve it. You can share with others. So say you share with another person. In this case, send an email to me. Okay, send it to me. Okay. So this one is actually I did like a dry run. Okay. And you can also share in printer, so it's basically printed out. I don't have a print option because I use emulator to take video. You can cancel it, so you can go back to the previous screen. This quit button here is because if you are done with everything, you want to just quit this application, you can do here. In our case, we just want to go to the previous screen, and if you found something wrong, let's say you probably missed something here, and maybe you wanted nanomolar or molar, you can change here. You can delete from the list. Notice this is not a delete from the database, it's delete from the short list, and then you can update it. Okay. Alright, so let's say everything is done. Then after a week you want to say, hey, I want to make some more solution of this, so I don't want to input anymore. So you can go here. You see the solution you saved before is showing up in descending order, and this we just saved. And you can also search it if you have a lot of solutions. Let's say you have PBST, you want to search it, so you only show PBST here. Right? So if you have something if you have a chemical you want to save, you can go through this approach. I think we did it like for twins. We just saved it like you do here, and then put input and then save to the database. Now if you want to search twin, it should be there. So see, it's here, and you can just choose it to use it. Okay. So that's pretty much the apps function. I hope this helped your work, and if you like this app, please rate this app